Hi, Dr. Joe here. Back in the 70s, Husqvarna Viking made these in Sweden, these gorgeous machines, and this one was painted a 1970s orange color. It was the 6430. You don't see a whole lot of the orange ones. It's kind of a unique model. But this machine had been in a display case for since the 1970s and has never been sewn on. And unfortunately, when you don't run these sintered metals, the grease that's in there freezes up. So we took all these apart and lubed them so that they turn again. And now we're going to do the ultimate test of will it ever sew again. So we're going to try to put all those parts back in there. You can see all those parts came out of here. We have our buttonhole mechanism down there, which is our width, and then we also have our length, and then we have our pattern selector up here. And it will be a challenge to see if I can get all those parts back in there, especially since I haven't worked on this since a couple, 3 days ago.